What up, my YouTubers? No, I'm just messing around. Not even taping this one.
Why? Did you realize you can get it without being taped? No. My first is a penny comb.
My first is one of them things that look like a half a chandelier.
Oh, I like
the lampent. Which at least that's a little different what I usually get out of my incense. I usually don't see him. So that's kind of cool. Kind of cool. The second is an econs.
You bet.
On the eternal quest for the Galarian birds. Dun dun dun. Where is the Galarian bird? Birdie, 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 birdie. Darn. A centret out of my incense? Oh my goodness. I've never seen one of those. Ooh, I think I got a Tedderusa out of me incense.
Good job.
Stuffly stuffle. A penis plant.
A non-shiny Dunsparce. Only you get those.
I did get a shiny Dunsparce once. Out of my incense. Let's see. No. Purple Skorupi. You son of a puppy. I got a Vulpix. Isn't that great throw on him? You jump out. Go away, Vulpix. Go away. I don't have time to sit and try to catch you if you're not going to stay in the first bowl, you punk butter. Uh-oh. We found one. We found one, honey. We found the Zapdos. Look at him. Isn't he beautiful? 3016. guys. Let's go. Well, it wasn't even an excellent ball. Don't. Just ran.
3,016 CP.
Yes.
Jesus.
One ball. Run. I should have thrown it over his shoulder like I said I would next time I saw one. Oh my goodness. Oh well, maybe I'll get another chance. It's pretty early on. Dang it. I'm so mad right now. I should have had him. To get a Jigglypuff. I think they're sad. They say, here, cheer up with a pretty Pokemon. Assholes. Some of us aren't lucky enough to have Master Balls to catch Pokemon that cool. We gotta do it the hard way. Don't we, honey? They did give me a Lechonker, though, here. That's a cheer up Pokemon right there if I ever saw one. Almost doesn't make up for it, does it?
Should've got a baby Zapdos, and then you would have called it like I did.
No. Both the Zapdoses I've had chances that were over 2,500. But that one was a big mother trucker right there.
I'd say.
That was probably my 100. That's probably a hundo. As some fools say. They just had to mess my day up with let it run.
Guess what?
What?
I just ran to
You had one?
kitty.
Oh, I thought you had a chance for a Galarian bird. You're supposed to tell me when you get a Galarian bird chance.
Nothing cool happens to me.
It'll happen. Eventually. Darn it, honey.
I get wobbles.
Can't believe he ran on me. I mean, granted, it wasn't even an excellent ball that I threw. But that's how I've caught the other two. Another Lampent. A Mankey. heck is this thing? A lacrosse? Out of my incense? That's one thing I think I've noticed. Whenever I get a Galarian bird to show up, weird shit shows up that day. Things I usually don't see. Like the lampent thing. Like I never see the lampent out in the wild. Let's see if this little process is any good. Nope. 1-star piece of junk. What? Waiting on a school bus.
Huh?
Waiting on the school bus.
No, I said, what an idiot. That guy just turned right out in front of him.
I thought you said I was weird. I thought I had to wait. Oh,
Like, people are fucking stupid.
Little dude crossing the street over here. He got a Bengal backpack on. He's a cool little dude.
Just in time to take my last 4 seconds.
Right.
Yep, that was my last thing.
What the